Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal business account. First, navigate to the PayPal website and click Sign Up to begin. Choose the business account option, then enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. You'll also need to provide your basic business information, including your legal business name and contact details, to get started smoothly. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, you'll need to specify your business type, whether it's a sole proprietorship or a corporation, and select your primary business category. Provide an estimate of your monthly sales volume to help PayPal understand your business needs. Crucially, link your bank account or a debit card to facilitate transactions. Finally, complete the identity verification process by uploading any required documents, ensuring your account is fully compliant and secure. Once your basic setup is complete, it's time to customize your account. Explore the various tools available, such as invoicing, recurring payments, and online checkout solutions, to streamline your operations. You can also set your preferred currency and language settings for a personalized experience. If you use an e-commerce platform, integrate PayPal seamlessly. Don't forget to review and adjust your notification preferences so you stay informed about all account activity. Finally, let's focus on security and launching your business. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Take a moment to understand PayPal's comprehensive seller protection policies, which safeguard your transactions. Before going live, perform a small test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. With these steps complete, you are ready to confidently begin accepting payments from your valued customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.